showing the basics of the punch and the movements that is involved in Taolu, which is another form. Like we have also sparring and forms. So this is some basic movements.
Back. Lousy out. Ah, very good. Go back. Again. Again. Prepare. Show. Nowadays is much requirement for a girl child. A self-defense. Like self-defense, you'll say, what is wushu? Nobody knows what is wushu. Self-defense means we use punches, we use kick, we use throw, we use push. All this is been utilized in the art of wushu.
So it has helped me a lot in self-defense and keeping me healthy every day. I went for nationals, Haridwar, then Tamil Nadu, Pune, then for Khelo India I went.
My name is Fiona Rodriguez. I'm from Sholay. I've been playing for 5 years. I have played many nationals and won medals also. In first national I played in Bagalkot. It was very good, inspiring.
More,